Hello, all of you. Today I have come with one of the most burning issue of not only Nepal but it is the burning issue of the world. But today I am going to focus about the condition of Nepal regarding marriage and divorce. Marriage and divorce are two significant life events that can have profound effects on individuals and families. Let's focus the marriage first. Marriage is a legal, social and often religious union between two people. It typically involves a commitment to share life together, emotionally and often financially, with the intention of forming a partnership. The exceptions and responsibilities within marriage can vary depending on cultural, religious, and personal beliefs, but common elements typically include: first is commitment, a promise to stay together through challenges, to support one another emotionally and sometimes financially. Second is legal and financial ties. In most societies, marriage involves legal recognition and can affect issues like inheritance, taxation, and healthcare. The third element of marriage is the children and family. Many marriages also involve raising children, which can be one of the core reasons for marriage in certain cultures. The fourth element is cultural significance. Marriage often has deep cultural or religious meaning and is seen as a rite of passage in many communities. Now the divorce. Divorce is the legal dissolution of a marriage by a court or other competent body. It can be a difficult and emotional process, and the reasons for divorce can vary greatly. Some of the common aspects of divorce are: reasons for divorce. The first reason is communication issues. When there is lack of open and honest communication, the relation is going to end at divorce. Second issue is infidelity, means cheating or betrayal of trust. If a partner is going to cheat or betray or distrust the others, in that case, the relation is going to end at divorce. Another is financial problems. Conflicts over money or financial responsibilities may end the relation at divorce. Emotional or physical abuse, means divorce is the end of relation. In the case of emotional or physical abuse, which means domestic violence or manipulation, is the major cause of divorce. Incompatibility, growing apart or having fundamentally different life goals. The second main reason for divorce is legal process. Divorce involves legal procedures that vary by jurisdiction. This often includes division of assets, deciding how to fairly split property, savings, and debts. Second is custody of children. It means determining where children will live and how much time they will spend with each parent. Alimony or spousal support. One partner may be required to financially support the other for a period following the divorce, depending on the situation. Third is emotional impact. Divorce can be emotionally challenging, often involving grief, anger, confusion, and feelings of failure. Support from family, friends, or therapy is often sought to cope with these emotions. Post divorce. After a divorce, individuals may experience changes in lifestyle, such as moving, dating again, or navigating co parenting arrangements if children are involved. The process can be one of personal growth and rebuilding one's life. Regarding the marriage and divorce, I am going to present a new insight. This insight is mainly of the great philosopher of the modern time, also. For youth, marriage related issues are much more sensitive than they are considered. These issues can even alter the direction of life. If not understood properly, here are brief notes on the same. Divorce should be more simple. Marriage should not be so easy, rather, divorce should be easy. Divorce should be nominal. In fact, it should be just a formality. Something like one fine morning we say no to continue the relation anymore, and it would end even by a letter also. Marriage should be more difficult. If today someone files an application to marry, then he should be allowed a license for experimental marriage for 1 year only. Live together for a year, think properly, and understand each other. Then, if they come and say that we still want to live together, then only they should be allowed to marry. Marrying should be difficult, like divorce, because in divorce we keep them on hold for 3 years, and that way we create a big trouble for them. All these hindrances should be there at the time of marriage, because if two persons want to live together, then society should take care of this. If they will be able to, it should be taken care of completely. On the contrary, we take care after their marriage, but it is useless by that time, so there should be an arrangement for them of 1 year experimental marriage. They are not husband and wife, they would live together just as friends. They would understand each other, and it is possible now because of availability of contraceptive devices. There is no need to produce children. It is very convenient now. After a year's experimental marriage, if they come and say that now we want to live together, then there should be an inquiry and proper investigation about this. Their statements should be investigated properly. Psychologists, psychiatrists should be consulted that these two were questioned, and here are their answers. Will they be able to live together? And then the couple would also be told that psychologists say that this couple would not live together for more than 2 years. You people think more on this. Meet psychologist. Talk to him. What you are saying is not correct because one who can understand your mind is saying just the opposite. Even then, if you say, then you can marry. We should make more hindrances at the time of marriage. Divorce should be simple because it is very dangerous to decide about marriage in a flash. Entire life should be clear by that time, and a broken marriage is very much dangerous for children born out of this marriage. So, what to do or what to think about the marriage and divorce? All the sensible person can think about it very sensitively. Here I am going to put some information about the condition of marriage or divorce in Nepal. Divorce process in Nepal, new divorce law in Nepal 2025 or 2081 BS. So what are the divorce process in Nepal? Divorce is the formal means of dissolving marital relations between husband and wife. Civil Code 2017 is the governing law which deals with the matters of divorce in Nepal. If both husband and wife so desire, they may terminate their marital relationship through divorce at any time. What are the laws relating to divorce in Nepal? Yes, of course. Divorce process in Nepal is governed by Chapter on Divorce of the Civil Code, Section 93 to 104 of Civil Code are related to divorce and mutual consent divorce. What are the authorities related to divorce? The application for divorce is filed in the relevant district court, and the individuals can get a divorce if the judge deems it reasonable. Can a wife or husband effect divorce without the consent of the other? The husband or wife may initiate divorce process in Nepal even without the consent of the respective spouse in any of the following circumstances. Grounds of divorce for husband. First, except where the husband and wife are living separately after abstaining their partition, share or separating bread and board in accordance with law, if the wife has been living separately for 3 or more consecutive years without consent of the husband. Second, if the wife deprives the husband for the maintenance cost or expels him from the house. Third, if the wife commits an act or conspiracy likely to cause the grievous hurt or other severe physical or mental pain to the husband. Fourth, if the wife is proved to have made sexual relations with other person. Grounds of divorce for wife. The first, except where the husband and wife are living separately after abstaining their partition share or separating bread and board in accordance with law. If the husband has been living separately for 3 years or more consecutively without consent of the wife. Second, if the husband deprives the wife for the maintenance costs or expels her from home. C. If the husband commits an act or conspiracy likely to cause grievous hurt or other severe physical or mental pain to the wife. Fourth, if the husband concludes another marriage. Next, if the husband is proved to have made sexual intercourse with another woman without the information to the wife. Next, if the husband is with evidence to have raped the wife or conspiracy likely to have raped the wife. Who can initiate divorce process in Nepal? Any party, husband or wife, willing to have a divorce can initiate a case of divorce. What is the procedures of divorce in Nepal? Step 1. Filing a petition of divorce by applicant in the concerned district court. Step 2. Notice be given to the defendant by court. Step 3. Submission of statement of defense by defendant. Step 4. Process of mediation between husband and wife. Step 5. If mediation fails, further court proceedings, collection of evidence and witness examination. Step 6. Final decision on divorce by the court. The procedures of divorce in Nepal is a little bit difficult, but those who don't like to stay together, they can file the petition. If morally they are not connected, then what is the meaning of marriage? Marriage means the emotionally and morally they support the each and other. But if they don't have moral support, emotional support, financial support, conjugal relationship, then what is the meaning of marriage? There may be various kinds of concept and ideas about this. Just I am trying to present the glimpse of the divorce in Nepal. This audio lesson will give you some information about the marriage and divorce. At present, you can see those who are living the distant life from the native place, those who are living in the nuclear family, are bearing this problem due to the job pressure, pressure for the career, financial problem, and if two husband and wife are busy in their scheduled life and they are not giving the time to each other, may be the serious cause. Besides our profession, besides our career, besides our daily it means stress, we should give the partner the best of our time. We should not bring any kinds of stress, any kinds of problem of our profession to our life, to our family. This may impact or destroy our marriage life. In the further audio lesson, I will try to clear more about the recent condition of Nepal regarding the divorce and the present scenario of the world. It is very easy to get the divorce. to take the decision about the divorce. But after the divorce, when they are going to live the single life, after that, what is going to happen? The born children from the couple, either the children is going to get the father or the mother, single parent life they are going to bear. So this may be the very troublesome for the rearing of the children. This may impact their career, psychology, and many more for the well-being of their life. So divorce is not the solution. We must try to bring the consent. Thank you very much for sharing me. It means for cooperating me in this lesson. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.